What up, crew? New vid. Start with the sweet potato. Don't chop your fingers, brothers. Keep it careful. Keep it safe. Sort it out. Bang. Dice it up.
Steaks out, team.
Process.
Pat dry. To get a meat sear. Flip. Sort him out. Flip him over.
Bang.
Now you want to get your seasoning. Get some fucking rosemary salt,
Chuck it
team.
in the air fryer,
You know what
team.
you know. To play. Sort him out, lather it on there, a bit of pepper. Remember to hit both sides, brothers. Don't forget that. Bit of garlic salt. Sort him
Air
out.
fryer. Let's go, champ.
Flip him over. Rosemary salt. Pepper. Sort him out the process. I have my coriander around here. We sort feeds. That's what we do. Garlic salt. Sort them out. Cast iron skillet, dudes. Turn it on. You wait for the pan to get hot before we chuck the oil in, team.
Slice the onions, team. That's for a post, you know, sort of peel them out. And half, brothers. Peel the skin so you don't fucking cut yourself. Teamwork. Sort them out. Oh. Slice your finger open. It's all good. Alright. And the other half, team. And we're cooking.
Pan's hot, team. Oil on pan. Olive oil, whatever you want, you know. Sort it out. Heat up pan. Wait till it starts smoking. Give it a few minutes to heat up. And we're off, team. Cook up the steak. Let it go. Let it mess with it. Let it cook itself. You want to make a mean crust, you know? And we're ready to flip, man. Go ahead. That ain't that. I'm going for a rare steak. As well done. Done for the week. Take steak off. 10 seconds rest. Rest the steak for at least 5 minutes, team. Thicken up the sauce. Deglaze the pan too. Onions are nearly ready, team. Nice and sorted. Heat off. Onto the steak, team. Looking for a rare, medium rare sort of thing. And we've overcooked it, team. But if you look at that, that's how we do it. Slice and slice and show the dog. Not me. Okay. And then we slice. And then we slice. Slice.
Your steak seems pretty uneven there, Chef.
And if you just want to have a look here, that's the best pit. That's the best.
Did you wash your hands before you started cooking?
Did you pause that? That's the best piece in the house. And pause. Action. Onions are done, team. Nice and deglazed. Straight over the top. We don't, we don't just say we're putting it over the top, we put it straight over the top. And the final touch